guys, look who I'm bowling with.
What up?
Hi.
Yeah, we're both throwing the illegal balls.
Nah, they look pretty good to me.
No.
Come on, babies, let's go. All day.
That's what lack of speed of revs do to a bowling ball. Failure.
You jinxed it.
Yeah, the nerves got to me on that one.
You jinxed it.
Fill the ball.
That's super convincing. But it did strike. That's right. Fake it till we freaking make it. And just think, I was gonna move. I'm glad I didn't. First scoring update 5 games in, but we are leading by, how much are we leading by?
103.
103 on second. It's 7 games of qualifying, and then you go into a step ladder, Baker step ladder.
Baker 2-game total step ladder.
Now we know who pays attention and who doesn't. I'm just here to bowl. He can know all the logistics, but we're coming for this dub. Hell yeah. That was awful. I told you you were getting tempted.
You're welcome. I made the move for you.
Which one are you looking at? Me or the reflection? All right, Jake, fill them in on what has happened and what's about to happen, because some stuff has happened.
Some good, some bad.
Yeah.
We made the step ladder in second. We hope we get to bowl them too. We went ahead and crapped the bed on a 100-pin lead. We ended up with a 10-pin deficit.
I don't know if we say crap. They shot like 560, 530. So
yeah, they put
just
it in
went
turbo
around
mode.
us.
We just paced.
Yeah, so we're the 2 seed. Got a, what is it, Baker 2-game totals?
2-game total pins, match. So
Win 2
hopefully
matches.
we get to bowl them.
And get our revenge, because
Yes.
we should have been the 1 seed, but 2 seed, win 2 matches. win all the stuff and things, and then go take a nap.
Long nap.
I see those all the time.
Yes! I got one! That's all I got. That's all. You ain't lying.
Real fast! Come on, take!
You got the same.
It was a good run.
You know, you can't win them all, and I'm also bowling with these guys tomorrow in a team event, so I figured if I was ever gonna make them happy, I slid them a win. I slid them a win so we could catch one tomorrow. The team morale's high.
Yeah.